Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a JBL GO 1 first generation wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not connecting to your phone, or if it's not working for some other reason, like it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, if you can't get it fixed or you just figure this speaker's old and you want to get a new one, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a speaker that I have and that I like a lot. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all the pairing history off of it, clear everything out so you can set the speaker up like it's a brand new speaker coming out of the box. That's a really simple thing to do. All we need to do is make sure our speaker is turned on, and then once it's turned on, we're just going to come and find the Bluetooth button here and the volume up button here, and we're just going to press and hold those two buttons, Bluetooth and volume up. Press and hold them simultaneously for at least 10 seconds, and after those 10 seconds or so, the speaker will turn off, and then it will reboot automatically into its factory defaults. You can go ahead and set it up as a brand new speaker.